So here are a few of the ideas that have evolved in our industry for being protective, safe, and smart, and at the same time being of some real estate related service in the process of selling or leasing or buying. Ideas for getting together are online, Zoom, FaceTime, and others. Properties are now shown digitally. They're being able to be done by 3D videos or extensive slideshows and virtual tours. Buyers, potential lessees can view them online and get a good feeling of what the context is like before taking it to the next step. The owners of a house, in some cases, have taken their device and done a FaceTime with a potential buyer. Give them a tour of the house, answer any questions as they go through. Some people have resorted to initially looking around the house, taking a tour on the outside, looking through all the windows as people who live there have opened up all the windows and turned on all the lights. Of course, it's a lot easier if the place is vacant. Then we have different procedures. I'll discuss those in another section.